My other one finally died, my regular NUTRIBULLET. So I decided to try the NUTRIBULLET Pro. It has a bigger cup capacity. So let's unbox. Okay, I am going to unbox it now. It costs $99 plus tax. I got it from Best Buy. I mean, they have it, look at that. They have it securely sealed. If you can see that, look at that. They don't want you to get in there. Security. I've never seen this in other stores. This is like Fort Knox here. Turn that off. Okay, finally, I'm in. I'm still puzzled as to why it was taped up. As you can see, the cardboard is cracked, so I'm beginning to wonder, has this been opened before and they sealed it back up? Just be my luck. Okay. Put that to the side. Oh, it comes with how to make the perfect blast. Okay, you know I'm going to go and make myself a smoothie. Yeah, my other machine finally died. I've had it for a while. This one is a little bit bigger than my previous one. Yeah, bigger cups. Hopefully the other cups will fit this as well. Anyway, it comes with this large cup and the larger one. This one, if you want to take it, and the tops are changeable, interchangeable. And here is the unit. Yeah, just like the other one. The other one is gray. This is a pretty color. I don't know, this looks like a rose gold. The NUTRIBULLET 900 series. And of course, it comes with the life-changing recipe book. Okay. I'm going to register it. You can do that online or you can mail it. Put that aside. Okay, that's for the cup. You just want to drink out the cup with no handle. And here's the cup with the handle. Cup with the handle. That screws off like so. And you know what? There's a reason this thing was taped, because I'm just looking. There's no motor. Where is the motor? The motor is missing. It's just my luck. Every time I get something, it's something wrong. When I opened up the box, which I was suspicious anyway because of the tape being across the top of the box, and the cardboard being cracked, that something might be wrong, and sure enough it was. And it turns out that the motor, this part was missing. So what I had to do was go and take it back to the store and get another one. Of course, they didn't have any in stock, so I had to order it online and they shipped it to me. But here it is. Then my motor, my other parts, my recipe books, and everything that I need. to make myself some smoothies and get healthy again. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video, and I'll see you on my next DIY or unboxing. Thank you for watching. Bye.